A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Selin. If you're new to my channel, you're most definitely welcome. You know how we do it. If you are not subscribed, please, before you leave, make sure you hit the subscribe button and as well hit the notification bell, so with that you'll be notified when she have a new video. More Selin, okay? Family, join the slave family, okay? Your baby girl, she's obsessed is an understatement. I'm dying, I'm living for this look, guys. Oh my days. See your baby girl, she did a bold large wing liner today because I'm in that vibe right now. I'm in that mood, right? Everything is just on point, okay, you know how we do it. This is how obsessed I am with the look. You can see my spirit, you can see my vibe. Like seriously. Anyway guys, if you're interested, you want to see how I achieve this look, you don't know what to do, just stick around and enjoy, okay? If you want to recreate this look, like seriously girl, don't get life twisted, baby girl. This looks super effortless, super easy. You are Gucci. I used 3 bunch of eyeshadow to achieve this look. I used the first palette I used the decay electric palette, and I use off tropic palette by NYX, and I also use Flormar cosmetic palette 3 eyeshadow. Guys, you're good to go. Even if you have this just one eyeshadow, you are good to go because you have all the color that you need. Because you know I'm extra, so I do love to switch my technique a little bit and try something different together, mismatch. All right, so without any further ado, guys, I did my face off camera, and all the products I use are going to be listed down below. If there is anything, please feel free to ask me in the comment section below. Okay, without any further ado, just stick around and enjoy. You know how we do it. Don't forget to do your boo, and stay pretty and stay blessed. And I'm going to see you all in my next video. Take care, love it, ciao. Mwah. What's up, guys? What's up? As you can see, my face is super ready, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply my Hudabeauty bakery setting powder. I'm just going to apply that under my eye so we don't have any fallout before we go in with the eye makeup look. Prime my eye for my eyeshadow to pop out properly. I'm going to be taking the Urban Decay primer portion. This one is in Eden. I'm using this eyeshadow base because it has a lot of pigment and it's a little bit light, so it's going to give me extra coverage when I'm going for any bright eye look. I always love to use this base. Apply that all over my eye. Taking my Louvia Prime Virgin brush. So guys, to achieve this eye look, I'm going to be using 3 eyeshadow palette. The first one is from Flormar Cosmetic color eyeshadow palette, and the second one is off tropic by NYX, and the next one is Urban Decay electric palette. So yeah, start with the electric palette by Urban Decay, and to do that I'm going to be taking this brush right here. This one is by Juvia's Place G115 blender. Taking this shade right here, this beautiful pink, and it's called the Savage. This one right here. I'm just going to go ahead and blow that on my other V. I'm just going to dab and dab in the same time, just going to fluff it out like a wing liner because that is the look we are going for. Okay, so that is what I needed, a setting powder under my eye, guys. Don't get me wrong. I want this eye to look like a cat eye, so as you can see me do, I'm going to leave it like that, but I'm still going to be blending so that everything can look super well blended. This is beautiful. This is a look, baby girl. I'm going to go in with the off tropic palette right here. I'm going to be taking this shade. The reason why I'm using this shade, this pink, because it's a little bit deeper than the other one. To use the same brush right here, I'm just going to dip it in and blow that on my outer V. So yeah, you can see the difference right now. This one looks a little bit washed out and this one looks a little bit more drama. So that is why I decided to use these two palettes. And I'm softly blending out the edges, as you can see me doing. So I don't want it to be too high. I'm just going to leave it like so. Orange shade, this one right here, I'm just going to gently blend out. I'm going to dust the excess away. I'm just going to gently blend my brow bone. What am I doing, girl? Calm down. Blend my brow bone very softly with that shade. As you can see, we have a definition off so that we don't have any color. Right now we are going to go and work on our inner corner. I'm just going to be taking this shade and I'm going to start blend to my inner corner. Flormar color eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be taking this shade right here. I'm going to be using the same brush, taking this very light washed out yellow, that on my inner corner. I'm not going to drag it to my crease area, just my inner corner, because I want it to bring more light and more definition into my eye, to open my inner corner eye more larger than normal. So yeah, so simple, super simple for beginners, super simple. Don't get life twisted. And I'm going to be taking this clear brush right here, the one I use to clean my brow bone sometimes. I'm just going to go ahead into my setting powder. I'm just going to do a little bit of cleanup. I just do it like so. With this, you can always clean that area. Trust me, try it, it works. So yeah, as you can see, so we can have clean edge, okay? Clean edge. I use the Maybelline Eyestudio gel liner. I'm going to be using the applicator, but I'm just going to line my upper line. The Makeup Factory eyeliner, and this one is in beige. Tropic palette, take this pink right here. I'm just going to blow that on my lower lash line. For mascara, I'm going to be taking the Toofaced Better Than Sex mascara. I'm going to go ahead and apply my lashes. I'm going to be taking this, my Amazon affordable lashes. This one is in 5D number 7. It's dual eyelash glue, and this one is in pink. But unfortunately, they don't have this one anymore. They only have the blue one or this one. I got this one slash this. I got this one, and this one is in dark tone and white clear. So I don't know which one I'm going to use. I've not used it, guys. I've not used it. Maybe I should try the black one or 2 option. So yeah, I'm just going to apply that like so. The only thing I like about it, the advantage of this one right here, because it has applicator. The other one, this one right here, has no applicator. Okay, hold on. Okay, hold on. Here, I'm just going to apply that under my eye, which is right here, my inner. So guys, for lip liner, I'm going to be taking this matte lip liner, and this one is called Plum. Be taking this Patrick Star lipstick, and I'm going to be taking this Maybelline Color Drama Intensive Lip Pen. Lip paint. Yeah. Oh, that was quite a lot. If not, you have lipstick on your teeth. I'm popping. Can you see that? I'm popping.
It's waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Oh, and if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you